Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Sorry if it sounded like I wasn't there. Hopefully, you guys caught all those sell stops. I'll explain how that worked and how I called that out just a little bit ago. Let's see. Further live training. Boom, come over here. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. This is Polly C from Las Vegas. I don't know if you've ever seen that guy on TikTok. Good morning, guys. A lot going on today. Hopefully I can stay with you at least through the open. Oop, let me straighten this shit up. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I think, therefore I think we're golden. Look at those cells going, baby. I'm going to explain how that works. I'm able to call that out pretty easily and very easily with the new scanner thing coming up. But, yep, very happy. Good morning, Myroscopico. Good morning, Pico. Good morning, James Cochran. Good morning, Just Kaz, our afternoon tea. So, how are we looking on YouTube? Looks clear on my end. Hope you guys can see clear. I'll head over to TikTok. Good morning, Steven. Good morning, Cameron. Good morning, PK. Good morning, Peter P. How'd you do on your gold trade last night, Peter P? Good morning, Thomas. Good morning, Jason. Good morning, Aladar. Good morning, Kent. All right, guys. Hopefully you guys got in on some of this little action right here. Action. The sell stop action. I can't do anything now, though. It's entirely too late for you guys to hope to do anything. It's just not going to happen. Let me move this one a little bit. Let's see. Things that make you say, At least it's a little more visible. Yeah, that seems like that'll work, and then I'll pull that up and then we can go to 2. Oh, it does enough. Might be okay. All right, nothing you can do. You're too late. You're a day late and $1 short for any kind of trades right now. I'll have to go look elsewhere on some different symbols for you guys. I made a little bit, I guess. Stopped me out. I was a little pissed. I thought, then I just missed the drop as I'm traveling. No way, Peter P. Are you kidding me? I thought you were playing the 1 hour, 4 hour or something, or the 4 hour daily or whatever you're trading. I thought it felt like a rock. Did gold not fall? Good morning, Builder. Good morning, Larry. Good morning, John C. Good morning, Lachey. Good morning, Rob. Ruthius. Rutius. Good morning, Marlon. I thought you made some money on that. Damn. Must have arched up on me. Alright. And let's see. Boom. Don't worry. I have a feeling by next week I'll be able to start coming on early and trading for hours like I used to do. But all this stuff going on from this piece of property will let me do. Good morning, Josh. Yes, I hope all is well with you, Josh. It is. Good morning, Henry. Good morning, G. Lachey. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning, Builder, Jeff Cos. Good morning, James. I don't know. I think you can see more on TikTok. I don't know how the audio is, but I think it's pretty good on TikTok these days. Look at that drop. So I'm going to go over a few things, and then we'll get... Oh, matter of fact, screw that. I'm going to go ahead and call out a few things, see if we can find anything for you guys to trade right now. Obviously, there's nothing you can do. And the 5 minute to the blue line sell stops worked out unbelievably good. We'll go over how this worked out. We went over it last night, but I'll show you what it was. I would strongly be looking for any kind of arch ups, sell stops to the 15-minute line for NAS and SPX, and I'll show you what that looks like. So that's what I would look like. So I'm going to change this. We're going to take this off. Well, maybe I just go in here. Let me do this real quick. So it's going to be look for 1-minute sell stops to the 15-minute blue lines. And I don't even know, have they even formed anything? Hold on. I'm getting out of my rhythm here. Let's see. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stops. Yeah, this is going to be a 4 hour. I would do a 4 hour buy stop. Look for a. Let's go back here. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for fun. Ellen, nothing else. And I want you to list a 4 hour buy stop. So this is current as I can get it, and then I'm going to go through the actual trades and stuff. All right, here we go. Here we go. And then I'll explain how unbelievably accurate this entry will be for you guys. Let me go back over here. Nice, Shash, you made about $500. Congratulations, and thank you for saying thank you about being asked. That's awesome. Good morning, Alan Fleming. Good morning, Mario D. Everything is perfect. Perfect. Awesome, Builder Blast. I can never say your name. Well, Builder. All good. So really awesome. Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Angela Taylor. I love your beautiful new car, Mom. It looks gorgeous. Good morning, Mike Glowinski. Good morning, Glow. Friend of 45 years. If you can put up with me for 40 to 45 years, you guys can handle me for, the short courses you get me for. Of course, I think it does show. Good morning, Rock the Bach, Jason. Jason, you're going to love the new system. Good morning, Philip. 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 Nope, I don't think that's our right Philip. But Philip Bentley is going to be our, I'm reading here. It's going to be our guest host tomorrow on the 10th on Friday at 9 a.m. Good morning, Terry Gross. Good morning, Alan and Mario and Builder again. All right, just want to make sure we're getting everybody in here. All right, so let's take a look. See, we're going to call out gold, oil, US, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, USD, CAD, ER, USD, GBP, USD. You guys get the idea. My usual 14. The Fab 14. Here we go. We're going to be looking at gold 1 minute. 42, right? Yeah, good. Yeah, nothing here. 15-minute. Would have been a 30. Yeah. Well, it's not officially a 30. I don't like that one. I probably should caught that. It's a 15-minute dirty sell. Confirm with the 30-minute here, but that's neither here nor there. Nothing you can do now. Oh, there you go. That's what I thought. Was this not a 4 hour? Peter P., was this not a 4 hour sell stop last night? To the blue line. Look at the 4 hour sell stop. This is the correct trade, not the 30-minute. Who said 30-minute? Nothing against you, but Josh, you shouldn't have did the 30. This is a 4 hour sell stop. And do I have time? I have time to pause and keep you guys. Right? Not a lot. All right, look. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Now look at this trade. This is picture perfect in all aspects. Starting from the bottom, skip that little thing. That's our sniper entry one. It's not for the higher time frame yet. It will be. Red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop to the blue line. There it is. I don't know how much more direct that could have been. It's too late. I'm not even calling anything else gold. I'm not. It's too late. There's nothing to call in gold. I'm not going to call anything the rest of the day on gold. If you force me to later, I might, but there's nothing to call. Everyone here knows and understands what they're seeing, or would you like me to go over this? This white blob right here is the future. You can't see it. You can't predict it unless you have the system. Then you see red here against the white, red against the white, red against the white, green against the right with the box, the most important indicator in history of the world, red, red. You open up a sell stop, and does gold go down? To the blue line, by the way. Did it call it on? Oh, I'm not even in the scanners this morning. Oh, shit. I got to get in the scanners this morning. But nonetheless, I'm positive. Could someone Google, someone do that? Could someone jump in the scanner room and tell me if there was a 4 hour sell stop, a BS? Let me see. There's either a BS3 or a BS1. There's probably a BS3 though. SS3, sorry. for ourselves. Yeah, Chad. Good morning, D Nice. Not Bentley Phillip. I wish you were Phillip. You would have made $340,000. I know it's his name. Wacker. Phillip Wacker is his name. Good morning to be Phillip, though, anyways. So on TikTok, this trade is super easy. Hopefully you guys caught it and understand what you're seeing right here. Builder, do you understand it? Mario, do you understand it? Alan, do you understand what you're saying? Yes, but I was already in from yesterday. Had my stop loss empty close. Was after a good trade. Just not that I didn't play it right. That's okay, Peter P. There'll be 10,000 more of them. Vlad says yes. A smiley face, I believe. Yes, the builder. Awesome. Kent's 4-hour sell stop one. It was a thank you, Kent. So it registered that as the SS1. Interesting. I don't know if I'd have counted that as close enough. I'm being picky. Can you imagine I'm picking on my own scanner? SS1. Excellent. So there you go. And there's your gold. And there's your entry. You'd have made from 1916 down to 1902. $14 an ounce is what you'd have made on gold. Gorgeous. All right, I hope you guys, Mike Lewinsky, Mom, you guys understand that? Philip, do you understand that? Terry, do you understand that? D Nice, do you guys understand what you're seeing? Red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop one to the blue line. I know Mom loves gold, and that's an easy trade. See what they do? They spike up on you. They do these stupid grabs, what they're doing. Technically, though, if you'd have arched up, no, you put your stop loss in the wrong spot. You should have put your stop loss up here. I'm not going to go into detail because it helps many people in this camera. Yes. Philip says, yep. Terry Gross says, yep. Mo says 15. Mo says, hey, Kev, 15 minute. I don't know what that means. 15 minute what? No. Kent, I picked up 19, 15, 19, Kent. There you go, Kent. The smartest move of the day. Take that $5 in gold and run, which is still spectacular, by the way. Excellent. All right, so that's gold, not calling anything else. Rob Ruthie says, you see it, Rob. Yay, Rob. Congratulations, Rob. There you go. That's those 1 hour, 4 hour trades or the 4 hour daily trades, those are money. Those are the ones that never miss, just so you're clear. That's why I love them so much. Morning, Run 120. Good morning. Excellent morning, family. I'm very grateful for this. Thank you, Dr. Harry. Good morning, Dr. Harry. Michael says, I understand. I know you do, Go. I'm just double checking. All right, oil. Here we go with oil. Oil. I don't know. I don't like that. Hold on 1 second. Buy stop on oil. Then it's going to form a clean 1 minute sell stop. So what do you want me to say? It's going to go up a little bit, and then it's going to turn around and do a 1 minute sell stop. And then after that, it's going to turn into a 30-minute? Yeah, it is. 30-minute, 1 hour buy stop for oil. Where's she blowing to? Weekly, monthly buy stop for oil. So 1 minute sell, just wait for it to develop. It'll come in. XRP, baby. Is XRP to $100 yet? XRP to 47 cents. Sell stop XRP. You already missed the earlier one though. It's going to arch up. So this is what XRP is going to do, so everyone's clear. Our logo comes down, told to come down, it's going to come back up, it's going to do this, it's going to hook and come back down again. You'll see every one of these indicators stay red except for this one will turn green. Then you'll have red, 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 green, red, red, it'll arch up to the red line. And done. So that's what XRP is going to do. Can I be any more specific? Can I draw it out for you? That's XRP, what it's going to do over the next little bit. After that, XRP, look at this 30-minute sell stop XRP. Come on. Red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop, bam, in the money. Where's she blowing to the 4 hour, was it? Yeah. Still going to the 4 hour sell stop with the blue line or close. Daily buy stop XRP. The last time I called an XRP buy stop to the blue line, it went there. It took from 424 a month. It took a month to go up. Well, actually, it took longer than that to break up. So it took a month the last time I called this buy stop, so hang in there on that. Weekly sell stop XRP to the monthly blue line. Ethereum. Ethereum trades exactly like Bitcoin. Bitcoin trades exactly like Ethereum. Usually it's the big boy Bitcoin, obviously, that's leading the way. 1 minute arch up, sell stop. Ethereum. 5 minute, it's going to arch up and then turn into a sell. Ethereum. 4-hour buy stop. Look at their cheating asses. You could make so much money on that 4-hour buy. Look at that. You'd have made from 1904, 1914, my eyes, on a 70-inch screen, mind you, to 1960. Almost 1966, the year I was born. Whatever the hell that is, $48 dollars a coin on Ethereum if you took that buy stop right there. All it does, what you guys, there is no such thing as consolidation. If I hear that word one more fucking time in the Discord, I'll block who's ever saying it. There is no consolidation. There isn't. It's working its way over to a red line to either bounce and go up or bounce and go down. And obviously you can see this is a bounce and go up. Come on, guys. Some of you got to really start seeing this shit. Daily, weekly. Glow, you want to come on alive? You want to call in right now? Mike Glowinski, you want to call in? Bitcoin. Gavin Greer, good morning. Stefan, good morning. Lovely system, I like that. Good morning, Tanny. Good morning, Patrick. No, I have not been at ERUSD. Good morning, Billy. And Glow, if you want to call in, let me know. Let me know. All right. Glow, if you want to call in, I have an event to cater in a few minutes. Oh, Glow. Everybody wants to know if I really have a friend from 40 years. They all think I'm an asshole, and I don't have any long-term friends. I have lifelong friends. That's what I have. All right, fine. Good luck on your catering event, by the way. Kick fucking ass as you always do. I know you make sense when you're doing that. All right, 1 minute. What do we got? I don't even know where we're at. Bitcoin. I already told you, 1 minute sell stop. 1 minute sell stop. Bitcoin. I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing. You guys be careful here. I'm a little doing it. Oh, nice. 30 minute. 15 minute buy stop Bitcoin. 4-hour buy stop Bitcoin. If you'd have listened to the buy stop that has been called out, 30,500 to 31,500, you'd have made $1,000 a coin this morning or whatever the hell that broke. Bitcoin, nothing. Daily, weekly, Bitcoin sell stop to the monthly blue line Bitcoin. And monthly is a buy stop. USD CAD, 1 minute. God, how much time do I have? It seems like I've just been wasting time after time. Okay. 1 minute buy stop, USD CAD. Oh, it's too late. It's too late. It's already did a 5 minute. Nothing I can do. You're too late on USD CAD. Too late. Should have been in it. Forming a 4-hour daily sell stop. Weekly buy stop USD CAD. Don't tell me I didn't warn you about this. Weekly buy stop to the monthly blue line USD CAD. Udashop, USD CHF. Always opposite. Look at that. That's the sell stop. It's always opposite of ERUSD. Let's see if USD is up. Oh, it is not. 4-hour. Hold on. Oh, we weren't on the right one. My fault. I was on the 1 minute. Oh my God. Udashop is always opposite of ERUSD. So whatever I call for ERUSD is the opposite. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line, ERUSD. Perfect trade. 5 minute buy stop. Perfect trade. ERUSD. 5 minute buy stop to the 15 minute blue line. Then it will turn into a 1 hour sell stop. Oh, I already did it to the blue line. Look at how beautiful that was. Someone should have caught that. Why in my group do I not see any ERUSD trades? It's the most popular symbol in the world, by the way. ERUSD, nothing. Weekly sell stop to the monthly blue line. And it's going to go under that, actually. GBP USD. 1 minute sell stop. 5 minute buy stop. 30 minute, nothing. No, look at that money. Look at that 1 hour. Boom. Look at how gorgeous. I feel like Steve Irwin sometimes. Green, red, green, buy stop, boom. There it was. Man, I don't think, hold on a second. 60 pips, 70 pips. Nice. I hope someone caught that in our group. Or hell, I hope strangers caught it. Nothing. I told you this was a 4-hour buy stop to the daily blue line of GBP USD, whatever. Weekly sell stop to the monthly blue line of ERUSD. GBB NZD, GBB New Zealand, 1 minute. Looks like it already broke. Too late, 1 minute, 5 minutes to the 15-minute blue line. Nothing you can do here. Nothing to see here. Move along, nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. 4-hour daily buy. I've already called out GBB New Zealand before. It's too late. You're too late. Nothing to see here. GBB JPY. GY. Oh, you don't know how to pronounce your symbols. I pronounce symbols in full so people that are beginners understand that. Nothing to do here. This had to be an earlier buy stop. Oh, which one? Which one? It was a dirty buy on the 1 hour. Yeah, it was a dirty buy, 1 hour, 4 hour. My favorite trades. Boom. Daily, nothing. To the weekly, nothing. It's going to the blue line pass, which is good. There you go. PPB, JPY. SPX. Let's see what we see. 1 minute sell. Yeah, you're making money on the 1 minute sell stop. There you go. Let's see where the 15-minute blue line is on SPX. Boom, baby. You're about to see it again. Let's see. NAS. Did NAS touch this? Why is no one interrupting me? NAS touched this blue line. We have US 30 past this blue line. We have NAS. So you made money. I don't know when I started rambling on here. It must have been a few minutes ago. When did I start this damn thing? How long ago was this thing? 21 minutes ago. All right. Let's take a look-see and see who made money with me. I told you. NAS. 1 minute sells out to 15-minute blue lines for NAS and SPX. NAS hit its blue line. So let's go back to NAS. US 30 is below it. That was the power. This, you guys don't understand what you're seeing. Once you guys understand what you're seeing, you're never going to look at this the same again. So let's see. 20 minutes ago would have been here. Would have been here. Oh, you'd have been at the peak. Would have been here. So let me go back to 5 minutes and see what it looks like here. And 1 minute. So 21 minutes ago. What time is it now? Here. Oh, not grabbing. Oh, there it is. 21. So somewhere around here. So right about here. So it came up, formed up, and arched to come back down. You had plenty of time, either this drop down right here to take, or the one that currently you're in, or should be in. Look at this shit. Perfection personified. I'll get into the sniper in a second. You can see the pink across the purple, heading down towards yellow with the 5 minute flat and a descending 15-minute. Everything is perfect on this trade. And you're making money. Watch it drop down. Watch it go. Where's it going to? I don't know. That 15-minute line. Where's SPX going to? To its 15-minute line. Number one. I'll explain this in 2 seconds a little more. 1 minute was achieved. 5 minute was achieved. I remember someone asked me yesterday, but what about the 15-minute? They all have to form the 1 minute, 5 minute first, then you see the 15-minute. Now NAS hit it, and SPX is approaching it. And that's how you trade. This is just golden. This will be $500 a month unless you're in the scanner system. This scanner alone is $500 a month. This scanner alone looks simple. This scanner alone is going to change everyone's lives. So when I told you when US 30 hit that 15-minute, right, to go ahead and look for the sell stops, what you do is then once it hits it, you go down to the 1 minute or 5 minute, as KCB, and I'll explain how that works in a second. And then you do your little either 1 minute or 5 minute entries and you make your money. It is so smooth, so clean, so beautiful. It's gorgeous. It's just absolutely perfection. I can't get it to work on the hourly yet, but trust me on that one, it's a coming. I've got it to work on the 1 minute, and now I've got it to work on the 5 minute. What I mean by that, I mean the sniper entry. Next up will be 15:30 and then the hour. So knowing how stubborn I am, I have a feeling it'll be probably by my birthday or Christmas when I have the hourly figured out. So yeah, I feel like a mad scientist. Got that 5 minute sell stuff. Says Timothy the Kid. What's up, Timothy the Kid? Yes, 31 minute sell stuff might be money. I didn't, let's see. It did, and you would have made money and got out. It's going to come back up, arch up again, come closer to its 5 minute, and then come back down again. Very good call, Just Cause. I told you about NAS about 20 minutes ago. PK said. Awesome, PK. Good morning, Kim Bernard. Good morning, Tammy. Sorry, I have to take some AstraZeneca money. Ha, nice, Glow. Take that money, brother. Shash. Gold 1 minute. Made 30 points. Nice, Shash. Good morning, Paul. Good morning, LT. Good morning, Stevie Haynes. We talked about the US 30 50-minute blue last night, passing another $50,000 by trades, also a stop 1.5. Nice, Stevie. How many funded accounts do you have now, Stevie? Congratulations, my brother. Whole collections of funded accounts. I know everybody does around here now. Crazy. It's like funding accounts hard or something. Lord help me. How many do you have? Well, I have 7 accounts, and they're funded with my family and friends. Thanks for asking. You're not a funded trader. You don't have blah, 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 blah. Get out of here. People are just jokes. I swear to God. They make me laugh. The haters, I should say, not all people. There we go. And there we go. All right. Max Jacks. Naz made me 125 pips. Congratulations, Max Jacks. I don't think you're in the system, but still. Oh, you are in the system. Well, congratulations for being in the system. Good morning, EA8851. Good morning. I need more than 40 likes to stay on YouTube, however. There's 73 of you watching. I hope not 73 scammers. Let's go ahead and get the YouTube videos up, likes up a little bit. We have to get to at least the 60. If I don't get to 60 in the next 2 or 3 minutes, I'll just close down YouTube and head over to TikTok. All right. Da da dee da 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 dee, da 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 da. Oh, who is it? Oh, Precious. I'm gonna give it kisses. All right. What do we got? What do we got? Got that 5 minutes sell stop. Awesome. Amy Lou, good morning. Aaron, good morning. Max Jacks, again, good morning. Stevie, good morning again. EA, good morning again. Patrick, good morning. PK, good morning. Stevie Haynes, congratulations again. Congratulations. Remember when I played that for like 2 seconds, actually posted one, they gave me a warning on YouTube. They can't do that. Like, all these people fucking do their silly little disco, what do they call that, where they do the DJing crap? Do it all the time. They never get in trouble. I do it once. I'm like killed. Crazy. All right. Here we go. Let's go over some learning now so we can get this rolling. And then I just called out all 14 symbols. Good morning, Stephen Dunlap. I don't know where I'm at. Here we go. Now, let's go over some trading stuff real quickly so you guys can get caught up exactly what needs to be done. Those of you on TikTok are going to be shocked. Those of you on YouTube, I'll try to show you and hit the thumbs up. Oh, we're up to 63. What do you know? That doesn't need to do. It's pretty sure. Thanks, Kim. What's up, bootlegger? Good morning. We should do a group session with everyone starting a funded account and we build it starting from 5K. I guess we could. We should do a group session with everyone start. Oh, you want all of us to open up a thing? No, because then you have to pay those fuckers. I ain't paying them shit. I help family and friends with their accounts. I ain't doing enough funded shit. But I mean, if you want to, feel free. I ain't doing it. I hate to make rich people richer, but I understand you guys like to use other people's money. I get it. I understand. All right, now. Let's take a look-see at what we're currently in right now. Those of you on TikTok can see a whole bunch of things. So this is how your regular trading is simple. I'll go over it again with you. But this is how it's going to work if you want to get the actual scanners. This one's going to be free to people in a few months. As long as you're in the scanner room, you get it for free. If you're not, you pay $500 a month. So as long as you're in the scanner room, you get it for free. This one right here is called out. Well, it called out a 1 minute US 30 was first, then NAS and SPX did it. Then US 30 was first to the 5 minute, and I literally came on live last night and said, look for sell stop, NAS, SPX, and I had labeled my last video that. And then this morning it was 15 minute, right? And then the 15 minute got called out, and then you can see that there's 2 that aren't. So then the call was right here written out, look for 1 minute sell stops to the 15 minute blue lines. Look for 1 minute sell stops, and then NAS came close enough, called horseshoes and hand grenades. So this will be 1 out of 3. It's going to be called the 1 out of 3 HH. That's going to be HH 1 out of 3. I don't know if they're about horseshoes and hand grenades. But anyway, and then SPX did the same thing. So how do we do that? So we then go ahead and just take this big overview scanner to get where we're going. Then we come over to here, and we have open the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute charts on the Sniper. So it's going to be a separate room. when you see this, and then you're going to notice something. It is so amazing. I told you that was going up last night, I think. Look at this shit right here. Woo! This is what's going to be life-changing for everybody. So, what we have, and I'm going to switch over to SPX on this one so you can see it clear. What you have, I'm going to move everything. So I have SPX 15-minute chart open, SPX 5-minute chart open, SPX 1-minute chart open. Let me make sure this is SPX. Okay, I have a 70-inch screen and I still don't have any room for everything. That's insane. Anywho, here we go. Now, what you're going to see on SPX, and this is so life-changing. Watch when this happens to you guys. Ooh, last night, this is the one we played. This is the one we played. This one right here to the blue line. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Go back and watch the previous video. This is SPX. So what we're going to do, your normal way of playing a 5-minute sell stop is like this. Can you all see that? I think you can, yeah. It's like this. Red, 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 green, red, red. Sell stop to the blue line. This is probably an SS1 last night. This is a 5-minute one. But now you have the sniper if you want to get it, but there is a charge, $150 a month, regardless of what you do. You have to own the system. But now you're going to see the sniper entry. Just like over here on the 1 minutes when you see the yellows, the pinks and purples pull up against the yellows. Well, this yellow line is pulling up against this 15-minute flat line. When you see that and watch this shit, you are going to be just shocked how this scanner is going to show you the exact entry point that I don't think anyone can mess this one up. Watch. So this is what we have. And this is all three looking at once. You hit that little radar looking button, it turns from blue to red. It's gorgeous. How much time do I have for market open? All right. So watch. This right here is nothing on the 1 minute. So you go to the 5-minute. You can clearly see that it's a 5-minute sell stop. I'm on SPX 7-6 at 5:13 to be exact. So right here, we called this last night live. So you can go back and watch it. Now right here, you're going to see the 5-minute yellow line arch up. Price comes up, the yellow line arches up, while the 15-minute stayed flat, forming our logo here on the 15-minute, which I don't think any of you can see that on YouTube. You have to go to TikTok. Comes here, hooks, comes back up. That's our logo right there. Then you can see it form here. It started up here, came back down, came back up, arched up, told it to because the bullshit detector told us to. So right inside of here is the safety trade. This is a sniper entry. Now, how do we know when to enter this trade exactly? Right here is the peak. This is the peak. And when it trades like this and crosses like this, where it's pink crosses purple crosses yellow high against that, this is your entry point right here. You would actually take the trade right here. And of course, it was exact. And it found, listen to what I'm telling you, it found the exact peak of how high it was going to get. And when it's this setup, and I've only been testing this for the last 6-8 weeks, and I haven't had a chance to go through all different symbols, but for SPX and NAS and US 30, when it does this 1 minute, 5-minute, 15-minute thing, and it crosses like this, that's your money. There it is. You can't, well, this isn't a sell stop in the 1 minute. No, we're playing the 5-minute, as I explained. And then the 5-minute has to be verified by the 15-minute. All the verification is our logo. The 15-minute stays flat. The box is red, but we're not going to get into that. Flat, yellow, and that's it. So now the entry is right here. You would put your entry right there, not anywhere else, right below there, and boom, and that's it. You'd have made every, now the system, the sniper system is so accurate. Listen to what I'm telling you. It can, in most instances, not all, but in most instances, I can't speak, in most instances, it will find the exact peak of how high it will ever get. It peaked it. This is the cross right here. You'd have been in here. Does anyone understand what I'm saying? Good morning, Joe and Cindy. Anyone at all understand what I'm telling you? Not only are we finding the safety trades, the 1 minute, 5 minutes, but we are finding the absolute peak of entry. Think of that. So, I don't know when to get in, and I don't know if it should be in, and I don't know. Well, there's your 1 minute, 5 minute, and there it is live, and there's your pin. Well, you can go back and watch the video last night when we called it, as we were calling it as it was coming out. There it is. There's the trade. And that's what we did, and I did it on NAS with Bri and I. Good morning, Lauren. Good morning. Thank you for coming on again, by the way, everyone that came on. Awesome. I get it, says D Nice. Yeah, Rob Groot, Rob Groot, he should love this entry. This is just psychotically simple. And it's only going to be available, there's going to be two rooms. One room's going to have US 30 and NAS, and then the other room's going to have SPX and gold in it. So if you like to scalp those three or four, well, I guess four different symbols, oh my gosh. Wow. That's all I can tell you. And every time there's an upgrade for the $150 a month, so say it works on the 15-minute next, which I will get it to work, it'll be included for free. The 30-minute will be included for free. The 1 hour will be included for free. The 4 hour will be, I'll get them all. It just takes time with the right settings for it to read correctly, that's all. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm telling you, because that's crazy. Now the people on out Discord, we gotta prove ourselves. We should do a group thing. So now the people on our Discord who bought the system and no help from you. Oh, okay. Yeah, well, there's tons of people. There's more people that have funded accounts with the system than probably, I don't even have a clue. I know we're up to over 50, 60, 70 different funded accounts. Tommy has two $500,000 accounts. Tommy has $1 million funded account just by himself. And here's some more sniper entries, by the way. Boom in, fill in the gap in, fill in the gap in, boom money, boom money, boom money, boom money again. Look at them all. Look at them all. Boom again, fill in the gap, backing up. Look at it. It's just over and over and over again. Printing money, printing money, printing money. Anyway, just thought I'd give you a little heads up on the sniper and how it's absolutely perfection. So right now, what we want to do, sell stop 1 minute. But we need, let me be clear on this, we need this little thing down here to come arching up, price action to come way up. This has to come back up towards this 5 minute red line right here. I'm not trading unless it does, so there is no calls. Market open, no calls. I'm not trading anything. It needs to go up, or at least arch up for a few seconds. Yep, 3 minutes. So you guys can play market open if you want. I am not touching market open this morning. It's rare, but it does happen. If you want to play the sell stop on US 30, you can. I'm not. I'm going to wait for this to arch back up on the 5 minute. Let me be clear on this so you guys can see this. See, this has to come back up. Let me draw what I'll wait for. This right here. And this has to come back up or I'm not playing. It has to at least come closer. Maybe it won't arch up and over, but I'm not playing US 30 NAS or SPX until it does that. So, whatever. I'm already in other accounts. Where's my other? I think I have a big trade going in one of these accounts. Let me see. This one? Hold on a second. I think I don't want to misspeak because I have some longer term buy stops on SPX. But I think I have a $6,000 sell going into this one. No, not the one. Okay, that's fine. Well, anyway, I'll find it. It's in one of the accounts. So, market open, nothing to call. Let's have some fun. Watch it go up. If you're in the market and you're going to play it, lock in your profits at open, before open. Don't play it at all. Or if you're going to do it, I have no calls to make for you. If I was going to call anything, it'd be a sell stop. Officially and unofficially, I'd be waiting for this buy stop to arch up on the 5 minute. That's what I would do. So, nothing I can do. You would have made money on a little bit of money on NAS and a little bit of money on S, but I ain't calling it. Only all right, 30 buy stop in the 15-minute US oil, correct? I can look at that for you, Rob. Taking after his mom, thank you, and your son for your service. Jason Lauren, sorry, I wasn't on yesterday. I shipped my son off the Navy. Yay! Well, not about yay, but congratulations to him and thank you for your service, Lauren. My God, it's got to be heartbreaking to be honest with you. I couldn't imagine. And proud. I'd be very proud of my son, absolutely. But it is still heartbreaking to be honest with you. Good morning, Jacob. Good morning, Amy Lou. Good morning, Christopher Paul. That's also my son's name. Thank you, Chris. Oh. Market open right in 4 seconds. Market open in 4 seconds. There you go. I'm not calling anything, so have fun. Do whatever you want to do. It should be a sell stop, though. But I'm preferring it to arch up. There's an arch. US 30 is arching up. Yay. Go US 30. Make me proud, US 30. I'm switching over to US 30 for the moment anyways. Boom, baby. That's what we need. Are we up to the 5 minute? I'm going to chase this up. Now I'm going to come swooping in underneath this. Oh, do I already have my buy stops in place? Holy shit. Probably. Chase this up. Follow it up. When you make your money, get out of the trade. Chase it up. You want it to go all the way up and touch the... Why did I not take that trade? God darn it. Oh, you're in the money. You're in the money. Mine didn't open. Mine didn't open. You're in the money. You can sell that trade. Take that trade out if you want. You're in the money. Let me see here on the 1 hour, though. Hold on. Oh, we're so far away. 4 hour buy stop. I already have that written out. Yeah, you put your 4 hour. I'm going to go over to SPX. Do that. Look at this. You're in the money on that sell. It went up and touched the red line and came down again. US 30 did exactly what I wanted. I wanted that arch up so you guys could have got back in. That's what we wanted right there. Boop. And that's what it did. Take that money and run. You don't have to stay in the trade. It was correct. I don't know why my order didn't fulfill, but whatever. It's fine. Let's see. We need NAS now. Let me take a look at NAS. NAS is, oh, did it arch up? Yay, NAS is arching up a little. Not enough. And then it's got to pull up more for me to enter that trade. Okay, you got to go out of the way. Jiminy Christmas. Okay, SPX, that's what I was saying. Nope, SPX hasn't jumped up. Nope, and SPX hasn't gone up. Let me see, 4 hours. I might want to drop it. Yeah, I do. I'm going to put a buy stop over here for later on today. Wait for that sucker to go down. Oh, okay, I see. I can put that right there. Boop. Boop. And maybe double boop. Boop, boop. All right, can't make a call on it though, so that's where you're at with that one. Let me go back to NAS and see how much we're doing. Sell stop NAS 1 minute. Sell stop NAS 1 minute. You're in so much money. Gosh, I can kill this thing for nothing. You're up 50 pips. If you'd have got that order that I didn't get, you'd be up 50 pips right now in a matter of 2 minutes. Bam, baby. Take that money and run. Take that money and run. Look at that. Dropping down. Arched up. Came down exactly like we wanted. Arched up on US 30 and came down exactly like we wanted. Sell stop in the money on US 30. Boom, buy the damn system. There's NAS going down. You're in the money on NAS, and it already broke its pink. It's coming down. I'll explain how that works on the US 30. You can clearly see how it dropped down, formed the W. Look at US, look at it go down. Look at US 30 go down. Bingo, boppo, bango. Pink, cross, yellow, bang, down, down, down. We wanted to arch up closer to the thing. Look at it fall down. Look at it go down live before your very eyes. Look for 1 minute sell stops to what? To the 15-minute blue line. On what? On NAS. There it is. Ooh, there it is. There's your SPX. Touch. Touch. SPX is now next. SPX is now touched this 15-minute blue line. I actually beat NAS for the gold there. So there you go. There you go. There you go. Money. And there's your money. You're making your money on your NAS 1 minute sell stop to the 15-minute line. You're making money on your SPX 1 minute sell stop. Look at it. There they are. There they are. Watch these little things change now. Watch them change. Watch them change. Watch them change. It just has to close below this. How much more time do we have on that 5 minute? Oh, we have 10 more minutes on the 15? Oh, screw that shit. I ain't waiting here. Remember this though, guys. This is red. These have all went down and touched as I called out live. Watch them fall down before your very eyes. Watch me be correct with the system, thanks to God, yet again and again. There's your money on SPX. There's your money on NAS. There's your money on US 30. Look at US 30. I got in up here, but it wouldn't take my damn trade. I told you it was going to do 130 pips. I told you it was going to arch up on the 5-minute line. Hello? Who is here with me? Oh, but you're not specific enough. No, you don't listen closely enough. I drew this out to the 5-minute. I said, hey, I wanted them all to go up. The only one that did it was US 30. There's your money. Bingo, boppo, bango. You're richer than rich. You're welcome, 130 pips. Everyone needs to be thanking God, thanking the system, and thanking Bri. There it is again. US 30 kicking ass. There it is again. NAS kicking ass. There it is again. SPX kicking ass. Gee, I don't know where they're going. Are they going down to the 15-minute line? Is this called for by this scanner that is free? Free upgrade to everybody that's in the scanner room when I release this. Otherwise, it will cost you $500 a month just for this scanner alone. But I have a feeling you guys are starting to see the power of it. Look at this. Look at this. Look at it and be stunned amazed. SPX to the 15-minute line. NAS to its 15-minute line. US 30 was the first one and passed it. Look at the money. Can't tell me the system doesn't work day in and day out. Every day for the last year I've been with you. There's your proof in the pudding. Buy the damn system. If you're having trouble with the system, teach it to 10 people and you will be a master. I used to say teach it to 1, but people, they don't even do that. So I'm telling them 10, so maybe they do 2 or 3. There you go. There you go. You're welcome. There you go. There you go. US 30-minute blue line hit. Awesome, Russell. PK, thank God. Thank you, PK, for speaking up. Thank you, God. Rob Ruthius, thank you. Thank God. Patrick, bang, bang, bang. Come on, people. This is just what system does. Gavin Greer, thank you, Patrick. Don't thank me. Thank God, the system, and Bri. That's who we thank. Thank you, if you want, sure. Cameron Deluge, 6 pips, and I've been 1 minute. Sell stop 15. Correct. Amy Lou, this is fun. Thank you. This is fun. I love that, Amy. Leaving in the morning vacation, all played for well, but could buy another with this morning. Awesome, Patrick. Congratulations, Patrick. Come on, people. Please do what you say. Yep. There you go. 2 slaves, Kevin and Bri. Kev, thank you for all your hard work. Awesome, but don't forget, we always thank God, the system, and Bri. I'm good on the things. I don't need it. What is a funded account? That means you're playing with other people's money. Alan, good morning, Alan. 2,700 US 30. Nice! Crypto Fox Indy, $2,700. Bingo, boppo, bango. Keith, YouTube. Absolutely. But the main ones you got to keep in perspective here. The main ones you better be thinking is God, the system, and Bri. And of course, Keith makes their scanners all our system. It's fantastic because Keith is a coding god. Well, coding, the greatest coder I know is Keith. Absolutely, thanks him. Andrew Taylor, I took US 30. Yay! And ran, Mom! Congratulations! Yay, Mom! Have fun, Patrick. Yes, sir. Have fun, Patrick. Kev, you're awesome. Thanks for everything. Be1 ounce. Buy the damn system. Buy. Come over to here. Here's my sales job. Am I selling it? I don't give a fuck if you buy it. How about that for a sales job? I don't care if you buy it. I don't care if you buy it or not. Learn how to trade for yourselves, though. That I do care about. Learn how to trade for yourselves. Learn how to trade. Buy the damn system. Now, if you've bought the system and you're still having trouble, either get the sniper system when it comes out to help with your entries, or teach it to someone. So look, you go over to the safetytrade.com. You buy the system so you can learn how to trade like I do every day, and everyone here. There's dozens and hundreds of us. There's hundreds of us that are now trading correctly and making money. Buy the system. For everyone that's watching, anyone out there, listen to me. Thank you, Guy. Thank you, Lauren. Listen, should people that are watching this buy the system, yes or no? And if it's no, why not? And if it's yes, why? I'm asking you. All of you know the rules. I'm calling this in. I haven't done this in weeks. I'm going to go ahead and call this in. I'm asking you. Listen. Hold on. Should people buy the system, yes or no? We have rules here. The rule number 8, the most important rule of them all, it says, always thank God. Always do good with your profits. Always have my back. I've given you all access to $1 trillion a day. I made you trillionaires, billionaires, millionaires, whatever you believe, all of you, for $575. I'm calling in my favor of always have my back. I rarely ask this, maybe once every 2 or 3 weeks. I'm asking now, should people watching this buy this system? Yes, and then give a reason. No, and give a reason. I'll go over the nose and have you come on my live if you like. Should they buy the system? Yes or no? And I'm calling in everyone watching. And if there isn't a lot of responses, I'm just going to leave right now because I'm not here. I'm not begging. I'm just telling you what I do for you, you do for me. Go to thesafetytrade.com, buy the damn system. Okay, let's go. I'm looking at TikTok first. PPT, I think I love you. That's thank you, God, Green System. Yes, says G. Lachey. Yes, and why? Thank you, G. Lachey, for speaking up. Yes, and why? Crypto Fox, why should they buy it? But thank you for saying yes. Thank God, yes, says Alan. Yes, buy the system, says Market. So all of you on TikTok, all of you on watch this, absolutely best trade I ever had from the safety trade. Thank you, man. Thank you, Jen. I thank God for you. I will buy the system. Thank you, Jen. I look forward to the training with you. Good morning, Philly. Yes. Yes, and why? Yes, buy it. Do it now. How much for the system? $575 says right here on the screen. Sorry, I might have been too low. It's $575 per year. And then after you buy the damn system, but look, hold on, before I go over there, I'll tell you what it is. Come over to here and look at, this is my channel. Let's go over to here. This is the YouTube channel. We have a couple thousand members, but it's been growing pretty good. Come over to here, and I want to show you something. Look at all these responses on YouTube. Let's go over to my channel. This is what it looks like. 610 videos. Every day I do this. Oh, there's no live anyways. There's no live. Oops, right here. And let's look at the responses on TikTok from the people from YouTube on this live. Okay? Let's take a look and see if you should buy the system or not. Let's take a look. So let's see, right? All these little things. These are people that are just in the system or been robbing me and scamming. It doesn't matter. Here we go. Let's see if we have, so we said, oh God, yes, says P. So Joan Sampson says, OMG. Shash says, Kev, up 1250. Great job, Shash. Buy, says Nadal. Buy the system, says Tony. Amy Lou, thank you for speaking up, Amy and everybody. It will change your life. Rob Ruthius, buy it. Truck Driving Patriot, good morning, everyone. Hope you're coming to catch me. Please, nothing but truth with the system. Thank you, Truck Driving. Lauren, yes, please buy it. It's life-changing, says Lauren. Paul says yes. Evan says yes, buy it, straightforward. Shash says if you use it properly. Kim Bernard is the best system in the world. Shash, you will rock. Terry Gross, yes, buy it. Buy the system. Look at this. Isn't me telling you. These are internet strangers. I can't pay hundreds of people to speak up for me. Buy the damn system, says Gavin Gear. You like to quote me. Philip Sinclair says yes. Marlon says yes, simply the best. The Wealth Creation Passion, Dr. Harris says yes, yes, yes. Yes, buy the system. Kevin Bri, support you get from this like no other system out there. Thank you, Ken. Leela Bowden, buy the system. Cameron, yes, buy it. Kenneth Hibb, yes. Brian, yes, definitely. Aaron, Matt, both. Thank you guys for this is a shit ton of people speaking up. Look at this on TikTok. Are you looking at this on TikTok? Look at it. Leela Brown says buy it. I was struggling to close this one. Thank you, Wealth Creation Passion. Henry J. Singh. Okay. Steve Ames, only if you want to make money. So Stevie. D Nice says buy it. Amen, says Patrick. Patrick Tripp. Kent, yes, accurate. Yes, crazy accurate. Buy the system. It's awesome. Kendall, praise God for all the blessings flow. Rob Bruce, learn it will change your life. Thank you, Rob. And thank you, Kendall. Patrick, no construction work, almost triple my salary this year. Awesome, Patrick. We got to get you back on the live for a co-host. Matt Jack says adjusted. Got another 95 pips for you. So I haven't been looking at the trade. Matt Jack, buy the damn system, guys. Buy system. Fly. Hey, what's up, hey? I was just asking people if they should buy the system or not. Thank you guys for all of you speaking up. I appreciate that because you're going to help a lot more people. So you go over there, you buy the system, then you get your type form. Once you get your type form, we walk you through the system, and then you get training with me on Mondays at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And then that training is done for about an hour and a half or so, maybe a little longer, let's see, but about an hour and a half. And it's life-changing training, because what I'm showing you here is just the tip of the iceberg. Anyone who's been through the training knows what I mean. And then you get the training itself, and it's crazy good. Crazy good. Look how much pips this is. I would have been in, I can't believe I picked my trade. 148 pips, and I placed it You get an honor to trade, though. Sometimes that happens. So it's not. And that's it. So thank you guys for speaking up. If you buy the system, it's good for the year. You get unlimited support every Mondays at 2:30. Live small groups with me. Monday, your original training for your beginners and noobs is at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that's also a small group. And that's what you get. So you get everything you see on my screen except for the sniper. You don't get this bottom part. That's not included. Where is Bri? I have a great story and vacation update. She is still sound asleep. That's it. Thank you, Maria Toler, for saying buy the banking system, just $575. Okay. All right. Did I miss anyone's questions after that? Let's take a look, and see. Simplifies how much the system, Dr. One slide. Good morning, Dr. One. Thank you, G-Man, for speaking up. Thank you, Mark, for speaking up. Thank you, Phillies, for speaking up. Thank you, Jen Holmes, for speaking up on TikTok. Alan, thank you for speaking up. Buy the system, forget all other trading. You have learned. Correct, 310. I forgot about that. You're right. Good deal. All right, Dr. One Fly. Hope to see you and train with you soon. And all those people that you just saw, I don't even know what that was. 50, 40, 50 people speaking up, maybe more. I don't know. That was a shit ton. Thank you, guys. Thank you for having my back as we make more and more money. Let's go ahead and take a look at our trades. Has Maz done what it's supposed to do? I don't know. Yep, there it is. Maz has touched this 15-minute line. Look. Now you see it already did, and we closed on it, we didn't show it. So now you have 2 out of the 3. 2 out of the 3. You have SPX. We'll go check US 30. Now we're waiting for NAS. Any 1-minute sell stops to the 15-minute line, go ahead and honor, but I think it went and touched it. In which case, then you have to start looking for buy stops after this. But that gets a little complicated. I'm going to end that with you. So let's check out SPX 15-minute. Boom, there it is. Boom, straight down, called out live, traded live, right? Everything done live for you guys. So let's take a look over here back to TPJPY. Okay, and there we go. All right. And that's it. And we'll wait for the buy stop later on in the day. And let's go back to ERUSD. I do want to see what that did go up. Yeah, it did go up a touch as well. So we're good. All right, excellent across the board. Let's go back to US 30. All right. Look at that. Just a thing of beauty. I don't know what else to tell you. Boom, boom. There's your 5-minute touch. They wicked it to the touch. Oh, let me put this back up. They wicked the candle to our red line and pop, down it went, and of course the sniper caught that complete trade, and it caught the earlier ones too. And that's it. Now, we need a little better pullback if we're going to keep going with what we're doing here, but you know, it's good enough for now. And then I'm going to teach you all how to trade. All right. Would anyone that hasn't bought the system yet like to call in? Anyone would like to call in from the U.S., because I don't want to deal with WhatsApp. But if anyone has a U.S. number that's new, that hasn't bought the system yet, that wants to call in, feel free. Cat Lauren, nice. Thank you, Lauren, for coming on TikTok, by the way. Need to dig this out, this gas main, then I'll be back. Can't, Patrick. Be careful, Patrick. And SDX done for today. Christopher Paul, congratulations. And you will be a millionaire. I'm speaking that over you, Christopher Paul. All of you will be millionaires. Abstract, love you guys. Thank you. I'd like to call for Jim Holmes. Absolutely. Jen, send over. I'll write this out for you so you can see it. Let me grab it actually so you can see it properly. Hold on 1 second. Let me go over here. And let me go over here. And let me go over here. And let's go over here. And let's go over there. And come back. Alright. Jen's going to call in. If you could send your phone number here. And I'm going to take that off. Hopefully it takes it. Do you guys see the Forex Safety Trade System? It's at Gmail. You guys see Jen Holmes 92. Do you see the Forex Safety Trade System? That is the email you send it to. Just send your phone number and I'll give you a call live. And we will talk for a little bit. Not long. It'll probably be 5-10 minutes or something. I have to post Anybody on TikTok? Lauren, do you see the Forex Safety Trade System wording on TikTok? I don't know if it went to show. Okay, well, so you do see it, Jen, or you do hear what I'm saying? So send over the Forex Safety Trade System. It's just a Gmail. And then we're going to talk to Jen. Now tomorrow we have our special guest is Phil. Hopefully, I have to get hold of him. But Phil is going to be the gentleman who made $340,000 so far this year. He made $33,000 his first year trading, and he's buying a Bentley. He's getting it delivered August the 14th. All right, Jen, I will wait for your email to come in. And once the email comes in, I will call you. Hopefully it is a U.S. phone number, because I can't only call the U.S. phone number that one time. This has been fun. What a great morning. Wasn't going to call anything, wasn't going to call anything. Then US 30 arched up. Pop. Told you to put your sell stop in. Bingo, bongo, bango. There was your money. There it is. Patrick, not here. Who's both on Fly? Flyowski. Fly to the sky. Fly or EA or anyone. Is anyone on both TikTok and YouTube? Anyone here? Lauren. Patrick, can you see the words, the Forex Safety Trade System, that I typed out and sent? Do you see that, Patrick? Medivac, 99. Do you see the words on both? These calls in have amazing info. Please listen. Oh, that's your saying, Patrick? Yeah, they're a lot of fun. No, you can't see it. The Forex Safety. Thank you, Patrick. I hate TikTok. No, I don't hate this one. I don't know what kind of do. How about that? Do you see those words now? Gmail. Any of those getting through? That's where she needs to call. We're about to have a live guest on that I've never spoken to. I have no clue of who she is in a million years. I don't know her name. I think it was Jen or something. I think I heard an email. Sell stop 1 minute, by the way. You're in the money if you took that. Nope, we don't want Botnator. Botnator, what are you doing? What's up, Brian? All right. You know what, Patrick? In comment section. No type. Really? You don't see anything? Here, watch. Oh, but she's on TikTok. Well, whoever writes me first can come in and call in. That's fine. Dr. One Fly, I want the call. You guys can type. Patrick, can you type out the Forex Safety Trade System? Why won't they let me type that out? What are they talking about? Yeah, so you're on TikTok. Here, watch. I'm going to pull it up. Watch. I'm going to pull it up what I see. I'm pulling up TikTok over to YouTube. You can't see it that way. Logicals. I'm going to type it out on... Hold on. More than one way to get this done. Here, look. I'm pulling it over. If you're on YouTube or if you're on TikTok, it doesn't matter. You'll see this. Watch. Send your email here if you want me to talk live. And you don't. I really prefer someone who doesn't have the system yet. Look at it. You see what it says right here? The Forex Safety Trade System at gmail.com. That's what you do. That right there. I swear, TikTok is so weird. Okay, so right here. This is what you send it to right there. And then I will call you. It's got to be a U.S. number, though, that's all. I could swear I saw someone just come in. What is that? All right, so I don't see anything yet. I'll keep looking for this second one. We need to attach. All right, guys, anybody that has a U.S. number that wants to call in, feel free. And you're looking at the email, this Forex Safety Trade System at gmail.com. So there you go. All right, I'm going to pull it away now. We got to get a couple of things going. So if you want to call, that was the number, that was the email, and then send your phone number and I'll call you. All right, look at that sell stop. 1 minute sell stop on NAS in the money. Look where it's at right now. Watch. Watch this one. Boom, past the 15 minute. So now you will see once this closes below the 15 minute, you'll see the final, which you all had money, you had time to take that trade on. All of you should have made money. NAS will then be the final red, and these will turn to 3 red. It goes to 2 red, this will be 3 red. And that's what it does. And then Keith will make this look nice and fancy and pretty, but it's still functional, and that's Andre's code right there. And scan it right there, so look at NAS go down. That's what it looks like on the 15 minute. This is 1 minute sell stops to the 15 minute, called out live. There's your money. US 30 in the money, filling the gap, by the way. There it is. Look at it drop down. SPX closing the gap in the money. NAS is so far in the money you can't even count it all. US 30 so far in the money, it's sickening. And that's it. And that's what you do. And that's how you make your money. Look at that NAS trade though. Boom, baby. Straight down to where? To the 15 minute line. Who called this out for you live today? Who? I wanted to arch up, go to the 15 minute, and I called it out last night, by the way, too. But who cares about that? We'll stick it the morning. 1 minute sell stop to the 15 minute blue line. Bam, 15 minute blue line NAS. Bam, 15 minute blue line SPX. Bam, already was and passed the blue line on US 30. We caught that arch up right there. We caught every humanly possible pip on that trade, about 140, 150 pips. Crazy. Look at that shit. All right, I don't think I still received. Oh, there's Jennifer. Oh, there's Drew. Hold on. Drew, if you're watching me, you can call in too. Jennifer, I have a phone number. All right, I'm going to call you. Here we go. Boop. Here we go. Turning on the speaker. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Oop, there it is. All right, Jen. We're going to have on a guest, somebody I do not know who the hell she is. I have no clue who she is. Jen, well, I won't say full name, but Jen is writing in or giving me her phone number. I'm about to call her. Jen will be getting a call, maybe in just a second here, if I get this thing all worked out. Let's see. Oop, over there. Oop, up there. And of course, that's not the one. That's here. We're going to be talking live from a TikToker. Well, she has her name up there, Jen Holmes. You did send it. I do have it. I'm going to be right there just a second. Let me go over here. There we go. There we go. Jen, that should be me calling you.
Hello, hi Kevin.
Hey, what's up, Jen? How are you?
Hello.
Uh-oh, can you hear me?
Yes, hi.
Yeah, hi. Good to talk with you. I hope you turn off your local TikTok. It might confuse you. It might be a delay there.
Okay, you know what? Let me do that right now.
Okay.
1 moment.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, that's so great. So I don't know who she is. She's not a paid actress. I have no clue what she's, what we're going to do here, but we're going to have fun doing it.
Yes, we are.
All right,
yes,
Jen.
We are.
What's up this morning? How can I help you, or what did you want to talk about? And
Well, I have been watching you for a while, on and off, and I was very, very interested, very, very excited. I got a little bit of a setback, not your era, my era, and I really want to learn. I like your personality. I like how you take the time, and I don't have a problem with buying the system. I am ready. Can you hear me a little bit better now?
Much better, yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm sorry. I took you off of the speaker because you're in my headset. Yes, I am so ready to learn. I'm so eager. This would be, I work every day. Everybody in my family works. We're okay, but it's a struggle sometimes. So actually being able to learn how to do this, and like you said, if I'm able to teach my family members,
to God, the system, and Bri, not to me. It's to God. That's all I ask. So I don't, I don't care if
Absolutely.
how we do that, but that's all. So that's all. So I hear in your voice, I can hear very much how much you care about your family when you start talking about them. So absolutely. We're talking to Jen. Is it okay to say your last name? It's listed on TikTok.
Yes, it is, sir.
Okay, so Jen Holmes from TikTok. Do we know each other? Have we ever spoken before? Am I paying you to come on here?
Not at all.
I don't know.
I've actually been watching you here and there and been so interested. I drive all day for a living, so when I pull over and I happen to catch you on the live, I look and I'm like, what's the tip? And I'm looking and I'm like, okay, stop itself. And I don't know anything about anything. I just look at the reviews and I am ready to learn.
Awesome. Well, the good news is this. I can teach in about probably what took me a decade to learn, I can teach in about a minute. But let's go ahead and go over a few things. How long have you been trading or not been trading? Like Forex or
I've never traded.
Never traded?
Not
Okay.
one thing.
Excellent. So your head isn't full of BS. So you don't have any clue of what like a buy stop is or a sell stop, nothing like that, right?
Absolutely not. You're the first person I've ever heard say it, and
Okay.
that's what got me interested. And I said, I want to learn.
Awesome. Well, have you heard me talk about Phil, who's going to be our guest host tomorrow, by the way, Lord willing, we're working out today. But did you ever hear me talk about Phil or be like Phil? Have you ever seen Phil come on the lives?
I have not.
Okay. The reason I'm asking is because Phil never traded before. He was, I should probably say his age, but he was in his 50s, and he had never traded. And Phil, are you watching me on TikTok, right? Yes.
I am on TikTok, yes.
Ma'am. So Phil had never traded. Well, Phil's bought the system. Then he went through his training. And then Phil went and did, he went and did his, watched his training video 50 times a week for 4 weeks, his first month. And then Phil only traded SPX for 1 month. And then his first month live, he took $2,500 and made it into $33,000 in December, this past December. And since January, Phil has made $340,000 since January. And he's got a Bentley being delivered on 8/14, and he quit his job. Here it is, Be Like Phil. So here, can you see all this stuff up here? And this is actually in our Discord. And those are all true statements from Phil. He'll be on tomorrow to talk about that. And he makes about $1,000 a day to $13,000 a day. And there it is.
Wow.
So Phil can do it, and he was almost computer. He's going to get mad at me, but I'm going to tell you anyways. He was not the sharpest, tack and the whatever you want to say it. So when he was trying to learn, he had never done anything before. So it was very odd for him to try to trade. Does that make sense? You know what I'm trying to say? So it didn't come easy to him. I'll put it that way. He worked for what he got.
Okay.
So it wasn't just like, oh, I'm going to blah, blah, blah. No, he was that. I have other guys, some of the other guys on here that literally, like Tommy, who had 12 years trading experience, he was making money with the system in literally about 30 minutes after training. You know how unusual that is? It usually takes everybody 2-3 months, something like that, to learn. But Tommy made $10,000 trades minutes afterwards. That's not Phil. Phil was the opposite of that, okay? So this is how, if you can see what we're looking at, there's layers to this, but all you need to learn how to trade is I'm going to show you how to trade live right now. You just answer my questions, and I'm going to give you some explanations while we do it, okay? So watch. If you can see your TikTok, this is how hard it is. I'm going to put this white blob up. That is like our future. You can't see the future. No one can, blah, 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 right? All right, so then we're going to just walk you through this. I'm going to bring it right to here.
Okay, but I'm not on the TikTok. I closed it out. Should I open that back up now?
Oh, I just wanted you to lower your volume on it. Yes, I would, so you can see things clearly. And I'll stall for you while you do that. We're on the phone with Jen Holmes, sorry. We're on the phone with Jen Holmes, who just called in off the TikTok Live.
Yes.
So if anybody's watching us live on TikTok, this is not a pre-planned thing at all. She just randomly called in. Very excited to have her. We're talking to her, by the way, everyone on YouTube. There's about 60 people. That's shocking. Usually on YouTube, we're at about 90, 110 somewhere. That's weird. 60. Well, there's 60 people watching on YouTube, and there's probably about 30 on TikTok right now. And this is not, I don't know who Jen Holmes is from the hole in the ground, so she's just randomly calling in, and we're just and talk a little bit. Are you ready to go on TikTok yet or no?
Okay.
Just let me know when you have it up.
Yeah, I'm on the TikTok. You're right. It is confusing me a little bit because of the delay because I'm on my phone. So I have to talk to you on the phone and look at it on TikTok. So just bear with me one moment.
Okay. I wish there was a way to lower that volume so you didn't have to do that.
Yeah, I do. So, man. I don't even have another phone with me. I'm going to work through it because I'm going to work through this. I need this information.
Right. So what can we do? I guess, because you're hearing me through the TikTok still, right? I don't know.
Yeah,
is there no way to mute TikTok itself? I don't know. All right. Can you just listen to both?
Better.
Did you get it? Did you get it better?
No. I hear you overlapping.
Oh no.
No, it's still overlapping. You know what?
Well, here we go.
I'm so excited. I don't want to ruin it for anyone else.
No, it's okay. Watch. We'll go ahead and talk. Then I'll go and do the explanation. You can just write in your answers when we're done talking. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and I'll just tell you some things, and then we'll go over, like when we get off the phone, and then I'll actually go over for you, okay? So what we're going to do now is I'll just explain that if you've seen me before, you'll notice that in our trading system, we made it color-coded. You'll see a lot of reds and greens, for instance. Have you seen that? Where you see the little charts and there are little red things on there and green things. Those are just, sorry? I don't know. They're saying, can you open up YouTube and mute it? Dr. Harry said.
You know what? Maybe I can do YouTube. Hold on a second.
Yes, ma'am. And Kim Bernard said you can go to your media and turn down your volume for the media, and it should only turn down TikTok or YouTube. You can mute. So, all right, we're talking to Jen Holmes. We're talking to her live from TikTok, and this was not planned at all. This was just strictly random. And I think she's trying to get into YouTube, because on YouTube you'll be able to see the two screens we're talking about, especially the one, and then you just mute that, and then we can talk completely open on that one. It'll be perfect. And thank you, Kim, for the suggestion, and thank you, Tony.
I have the safety trade. I'm going to make sure it's you because some people do fake it like it's you.
Yep. It's the one with 600 videos, and it will say safe trade here. I can pull it up for you too. Let me show you that. If you can see it, I'll show you what it looks like. It's this one. It has 2.62 thousand subscribers. So it'll say 2.62. And it'll look just like this, 610 videos.
And it's under the safety trade, right?
Yeah, the safety trade, yes ma'am. And it should only be the one live safety trade that's on YouTube. They won't let anyone else do that because I have the ad or whatever.
I got you.
Okay. And then what you should see when I pull this away is the actual charts. And then that way we can go over it live, and it's so much easier to do this live like that.
Yeah, I have you. It says you're live. 57 people are on.
There you go. Yes, ma'am. All right. So here we go. I'm going to teach you, Jen, how to trade in probably under a minute. And this takes, for you to learn it, it's going to take a couple months, probably. Now, some people have an affinity for things like I can't play the piano to save my life, but my youngest daughter played the piano by ear when she was like 4 years old, and she can play Lord of the Rings and stuff. So some people have affinity for things. Some people do not. So I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to teach you what to do in a minute. It's going to take you probably 2 or 3 months to master it, to get good at it. Cool?
Okay.
All right. Now, if you can see where my little arrow is, I think I can follow along when this moves over here. You're going to see my arrow pointing to it. It's kind of hard to see because it's underneath this, but there's green right there. I don't know if you can see that green. It's underneath the white.
Yeah, I can see a lot. Yeah, I can see the white line. There's a lot of comments that's coming up in front of mine.
I don't know if you can mute those or pull those away, but you just want to see my screen with a big white arrow on it. And I'm looking at it so I can see what you see. And thank you again, Dr. Harry, for that suggestion about opening YouTube and using it. Thank you.
Yeah, I see the white line. Yes, I do.
Okay, now the white arrow. The white arrow?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
The arrow, yep. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you can see that there's these big red things down here. Those are called histogram bars, but they're red. Up here where I'm pointing to, when you see it, it'll be green. And then it's a little hard for you to see the green, but it's there. So I'm going to go ahead and do this for you. I wonder if I can pull this up a little bit. Nope. Yes, okay. Now I'm going to move this down here. Now I'm going to move my arrow pointing to the green, not to the white line there, but I want you to see that little green thing. Wait for it to come over. I'll tell you right there. It's moving there now. And can you see it? Right where that arrow is, you're going to see that there's these two green histogram bars. You see them? Okay, so that's all we need. Now watch this. All we need to know is that right here, I'm going to go ahead and put this in a nice little area for you so you can't mistake it. Inside of this rectangle right here, just right there, that orange rectangle, I'll show you when it pops up in just a second. Here it is right now, you see me drawing it out. Inside of that orange rectangle, you're going to see a pattern starting from down low where I'm pointing to. This is called an indicator, and I call it the real direction tree, but it's just an indicator, and you can see that where I'm pointing to right now is red. The one above it is red. The one above that is red. Okay? And then this is green that we already established, the very first thing. So like red, red, and then you're going to see it go to my pointer go to the green. And then above that, you're going to see red and red. And that's the box, it's just another indicator. So do you see all those little things? Watch me go up here in just a second. You'll see it go up.
I see the little lines, right?
Yeah, so everything I was just pointing to. So inside the orange box I drew for you, we were looking at the very bottom. I'm going to go down here again. And then where I'm pointing to at first, I'll wait for the arrow to catch up with us because it seems to be right here. You see right now that I'm pointing to a red little box thing inside the orange box. You see it?
Okay.
Okay, so it's red. And then the one that I'm pointing to right now above that is called an indicator. These are indicators. They change colors, they do things, but they're indicating red right now. They're showing us red. You see that red right there? That's the second one. And then I'm going to go up one more, and that's going to be red also. So these are separate bars. They're red bars. There's 3 of them. And then right above that is where we started at. So watch, this is right there. Now we're going to go way up to that little green area thing. The very first thing I pointed out to you is green. So that's a different color. So it's like which one doesn't belong. That's all it is. Okay, so right there is the green. And then above that, there's 2 lines that are red, red. And watch this one go up there right now. And you're going to see 2 lines above it. Kind of a little white thing pointing to it. Right there. And you can see now clearly that those are 2 red lines, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, with that in mind, all you have to do to trade is recognize this pattern, and you open up just an order. So an order is just, you're either going to say it's going to go up or down. And in our case, in this business, is when you see red, it means down. And what do you think green means?
Up.
Correct. So you know how to trade. Red means down, green means up. So have you ever gone swimming before or no?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you ever tried to live or did you die?
Oh, live.
There you go. So watch this one. Jen, this is you swimming. That green thing right here I first showed you, right here. Just that little dot. You'll see it in just a second when I pull it up for you. This little thing, that first arrow is green, and green means up. Right there where I'm pointing to. Green means up. Okay, so that's you swimming in the ocean, trying to stay above water. Okay, that's the equivalent. You get the analogy? So it's green. You're trying to stay above. It's up, right? Now below you, what is your husband's name? or boyfriend, or girlfriend.
Oh, I'm not married.
Well, boyfriend, girlfriend, son,
T.
T. So T grabs one of your
T.
arms. So this little red arrow I'm drawing now is red, where the little line is, and that's the equivalent red we said was down, right? So down means down, and the arrow's pointing to that. So that means T grabs one of your arms and tries to pull you under the water. Okay? Then you have, who else is online here? We have Ray, who grabs another, one of the TikTokers over there, grabs another one of your arms. That red little thing, that little line I'm pointing to, means down. So that means you have no arms now. You're still trying to stay above water. Good luck, right? Well, look down here. There's another one, another red bar. And that's where Kim grabs one of your legs. So now you have someone, T's grabbing an arm, and then you have Ray grabbing another arm, and you have Kim grabbing a leg of yours while you're trying to swim and stay up. So the bullshit detector, that's literally the name of the indicator, don't get offended, but that's what it's called. It's not funny. So this bullshit means, the green means it's faking out. It's bullshit. It's a lie. You're trying to stay above the water, that green. It's trying to go up. But the real direction bars, 1, 2, and 3, are red, and red means down. So you have two grown people pulling your arms, and you have one grown person pulling your leg under the water. Now, I'm not a smart man, but I guarantee you, Jen, you're not going to stay above the water, or do you think you will? With 3 people pulling you.
No, not with 3 people pulling me down.
You're going to go down, right? Watch.
Right.
This gets even better. Now we have above you a red line, and that's going to be Cameron pushing you under the water. And then you're going to have Jason pushing you under the water with the other red line, because red means what? Down or up?
Down.
So there you go. So now you have your tiny little self over here trying to swim up the green, and you have 2, 3 grown people pulling you under, and you have 2 more people pushing you under the water. Now, I don't care if you're Michael Phelps on steroids. Are you going down, or are you going to stay up? You're going to go down, right?
Go down.
Well, guess what the price does up here? You see this? These are just, the price is, and pardon the French, but price is bullshit. You know nothing about trading. It's made up. They call them candles. It could be bars. It could be lines. It's just price. But the price in this case, you can see that it's going down. Do you see this right here?
Yeah.
You can see price. So those are just, they call them candles, but again, it is so full of shit. The whole system is just BS, but it is what it is, and that's what they call them. And you can literally see that those little candles went, whoop, they started up here high, and then they went lower, lower, lower. You see them going down? You see that? So our indicator, my system, you see it, right? You see how the prices go down? It's going down.
Yep, it's going to keep dropping.
Well, it did, and it dropped a lot. That's a lot of money. But our system then was able to call out their BlackRock. These are big companies. BlackRock and Vanguard, they have these AIs called Aladdin and Adam. So they have these computers they program to take our money. Okay? And they're 99% successful on retail traders. So only 1% of me and yous out there, the retail, the real people, make money. They win 99% of the time. Did you know that?
No, I didn't.
And now she's like, I'm not trading no more. But guess what? We reversed those odds. That little green thing, you swimming in the ocean, was bullshit. There's no way you were going to stay up. And all of my system showed you red, 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 the 3 people pulling you underwater, the 2 people pushing you underwater were red. So my system called out their BS. They said, no, you're faking this up. Where 99% of all retail traders would have thought it would keep going up, my system said, no, it won't. It's going to go down. And boy, did it go down. And we made a lot of money. Does that make sense?
It does.
Okay, so that's how easy trading can be. It takes us about 5 minutes maybe because of the whole delay and all that good stuff. But it isn't very complicated to learn my system, but you have to get mastered at it. So don't, oh, you said I'll learn in an hour. No. You said I'll learn in 5 minutes. No. You'll get a gist of it and you'll have a little understanding of it. But to master this when it's coming at you live, it's like shooting bullets at you. All of a sudden, oh, I can take bullets shot at me. And then when it's live, you're like, holy shit, no, I can't. I don't know what the hell's going on. So it's similar when this trade is happening and things are moving around and prices moving this way and that way and you're scared and you're nervous. You just have to do it over and over again. So what we do is after you purchase a system, and by the way, it costs $575, best money you're ever going to spend in your life, and it's yearly. so that if you want to get it, as you know. If you don't. But if you get it, you get your training Mondays live with me in small groups, right? And that's from 1 to about 2:30, and you're going to get so much more information that I just went over there. And then at 2:30 every Monday, I do continuing ed, or like advanced training, I call it, where you can come in every week live with me in small groups and get more training until you understand it. So for 2 or 3 months, you get it once a week with me. So it never goes away. I mean, I've been doing this for over a year and almost a year and a half now on TikTok, year on YouTube coming up. And then it's just something I'm passionate about. I love helping people, and I love when they can change their lives around, quit their jobs, or my mother-in-law makes $50 to $100 a day now just for fun. I mean, it's just great, when you can help people like that. Cool.
Absolutely.
All right, so that was my explanation, and that's it. And it works every time, and it's very simple. But you have to study it and learn it. Go ahead. Sorry.
Thank God. Thank you. I was praying earlier, and then I found you.
Oh,
I am so grateful. I am very grateful. I will be buying this evening. I look forward to next Monday. I guess that's the next one. I am so ready.
Awesome. And no rush. We have them every Monday. So because you have to follow through the type form, you have to like submit an MT4, download things. And since you've never done it before, that could probably be a little intimidating. So we have videos for you though to walk you through all that. It's a very straightforward process. Just follow the videos along. Okay.
Okay.
Now, you want to answer some questions from anybody? Do you want to take some questions, or you want to go?
No, I can answer any kind of question that I know an answer to. Absolutely, I'm here.
All right, let's see. Is the small group on YouTube or Zoom? That is a Zoom meeting. Marcus Mike Jones asked. And then Andrew said hello. So we're on the phone. Does anybody have any questions for Jen? And if they do, please speak up now. Jen is on the phone. She's just a TikToker, randomly called in, and we're having some fun talking. Mm-hmm. Morning all, I am fully set up. Good job, Dragon. Can't wait. Do you download the system, or is it connected to TradingView? Nothing to do with TradingView. It's MetaTrader 4. And by the way, these are all strange terms for you, but a MetaTrader 4 or TradingView are just ways that they show what's happening on the screen. And we use what's called MetaTrader 4, which is the most used. 85% of all brokerage houses, professional brokerage houses, use MetaTrader 4. It has more of these like indicators made for it than any other system. It has more AI. They're called little robots. They're EAs technically, but they're AIs, like artificial robot intelligence. They have more for MetaTrader 4. So a lot of the young kids don't understand that when it's not on an app on your phone, they think it's like Windows 98 and ancient. They don't understand that it's the #1 trading platform in the world. So it's kind of weird to me, but that's what you're trading on this thing. So it isn't, it's not connected. It's on your own home computer. You can't use a Mac, and you can't use a Chromebook. You have to use just like a normal old computer, just a laptop or a regular phone.
Now, when I see, like I saw the red lines, if they're all green, that means that the price is going to continue to increase.
Awesome. You're already a pro. You're already a pro. That's exactly what it means. It means a buy stop. So that means we'll know because of our system that all these indicators switch, and then it will be like, hey, it's going to go up now. So let's take a look at one of those for you. This down so you can see it. It's so cool. Watch. Right here. I'm going to go back a little bit. These are green too. No, let me get. Hold on. I'm going to go. No, I'm just going to keep scooting around so you see a nice solid green patch where you don't get confused with anything. Down. There's a nice. There it is. Okay. So now on our screen when you get there, it'll take this a second. I'm still spinning along. The right inside. Look how smart you are. That's a great question. So this is called a buy stop. I'm putting inside of an orange rectangle again. And you'll know it's an inverse relationship. Meaning you saw the pattern was red, 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 green, red, red. As you so astutely and intelligently and smartly, geniusly figured out, well, this pattern right here is now green, 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 red, green, green, which means, look, price goes up. Look at you do that. Watch, I'll show you my little arrows. Watch, it's green, 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 red, green, green. And there she goes. Isn't that cool? So you've already figured it out on your own. Now it works on the other way. Pretty cool. Excellent. But you're going to need to practice, put in some time. Nothing worthwhile in this life is super easy, right? Nothing. If you're wanting to get a car, you have to work and save up your money. If you're wanting to learn the system, the number one thing I'll tell you on this, Jen, is that people will buy it. One of our guys wrote in after 2 weeks, said, I don't understand it, I'm quitting. 2 weeks. I lost money for 5.5 years developing this, $26,500. I've talked with people, you'll see people on here, Ken, who's lost $650,000 trying to learn the trade over a decade. Dr. McCain, he's lost $750,000 over about a decade learning how to trade. I'm saving you a decade worth of losses and tens and hundreds of thousands of dollars, and then you get to learn from everyone else's mistakes and learn this way of trading, and you don't have to have all those losses, but you'll still demo trade. It's called demo fake money, pretend money, and you'll learn on that for a month, and then you'll get real good with it. And probably about your third month you'll go live, and then you'll start trading. You'll need about $200 in your account to trade SPX, and then just trade. It'll be on your computer, your account, your money, and either you make money or you lose. And sometimes you'll lose, like, how did I lose? And you'll learn from it. You go, oh, I didn't follow the rule here. I didn't do this. And you'll learn what the rules are, and then you'll be able to teach it to people. And oh my gosh, you can start Ken again, this gentleman from Ohio, he bought it for his nephews and his brothers. So he bought multiple of them. You don't have to buy anything. You're going to have the system. You just need someone to come and sit down with you and say, hey, he told me green, 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 red, green, green means buy stop. You put a buy stop over here, and you'll be able to explain it. And once you teach it over and over again, you'll know what you're doing. You absolutely will know what you're doing.
Right.
Okay? Does anybody else have any questions for Jen? Anybody have any questions? Would anyone like to thank her for coming on? She doesn't have to give up her time, even though she's calling in. It's still valuable. I appreciate you.
Oh, it is my pleasure, honestly.
Awesome. And I don't see anyone asking questions. Oh, someone says they recommend you get it. It's going to change your life. And also, with Sam's, that's another thing that you didn't know about that. $200 for extra. What about Nasdaq is 30? If you want to trade, Phil took $2,500, traded only US 30, by the way. His first month he made $33,000. And he's made $340,000 from the first year till now. And he's buying a Bentley, all off of $2,500. He's coming on tomorrow. He will be our guest tomorrow. So Jen, if you want to, listen or write in some messages to him, ask him sweat. He's a super nice fella. He's probably gonna get mad at me for telling him, but he had no affinity to trade. So I'm gonna be as nice as I can. It did not come second nature to him. You know what I'm saying? He worked. He followed the instructions.
I will be there.
So yeah. Oh, Terry Gross says thanks, Jen. Dr. Harry says thanks, Jen. Thank you, Jen. Says Kimberly Harrington. Kimberly Harrington is a good resource for him. Yeah, and then she's a very good resource, Kimberly Harrington, because she's excellent. She's also one that didn't take, she's probably going to mad at me too, but she was a guest already. When Kim started trading with me, she was very much not computer friendly with things, and then she didn't really catch on to the system. She almost quit. I gave her a little motivational talk, which means I hope I didn't cuss at her too much because I'm kind of aggressive, but I motivated her to keep going, and then she came back at it, did good, and now we refer to her as our gold queen. Because Kim can trade gold so successfully that she makes all kinds of money. I think she's making, how much are you making, Kim? I think $300 to $500 a day or more. I think that's where she's at. She quit her job, she retired, and she would probably be a good person for you to start talking to, maybe a little bit in the Discord when you to a place to talk, and just message her or something like that, and she could probably help you along with certain things. Once you buy the system and you're in the Discord, then you can do that too. Yep. She said she just up here says $500 to $1,000 a day. Yeah. And that's Kimberly Harrington. Wow. And she does gold and ERUSD. When Kim says, hey, 1 minute sell stop on gold, I'm usually talking because I just keep rambling. Well, I should stop and listen because she's right 99% of the time on that call on gold. So it's much respect to Kim on that. She's excellent. Now, she'll also tell you the truth. I'm telling you, Kim did not take to this quickly. I'm going to be as nice as I can. It was a challenge for her too, just like it was for Phil. So in other words, a lot of people are successful if you don't quit and you keep trying, you'll be okay. Did you quit trying your shoes, right time to tie your shoes? Did you quit trying to learn how to talk? Eventually you figure it all out. Eventually in 2 or 3 or 4 months, you'll figure out the system. Will be an aha moment. You go, oh, I got it. I see it on the 1 minute, 5 minutes, I can do it. And you'll be fine. And everything will come together. Kendall said, thank you, Jen, you got this. The system will shorten your learning curve by 2
Thank
years.
you, Kevin. This has made my day.
Oh,
awesome. You don't even understand. This has really made my day.
Oh, yeah. Well, thank you for coming on. And someone asked what time is Phil coming on tomorrow. I believe he'll be on at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow. XFX Plant says, great, Jen, and keep watching. So everyone's just giving you congratulations. All right. Now I wait for the logo. Yeah.
All right.
All right. Thanks, Jen. God bless you. Thanks for calling in. Yes, ma'am. All right.
God bless you.
Have a good one.
Thank you.
All right, how sweet is that? Yay. All right, guys. That was Jen Holmes that we had on, a random caller for TikTok. We got to go over a few things. I thought you did an outstanding job. Congratulations. Phil will be on tomorrow at 9 o'clock a.m. Lord willing, we've got to work that out today on the details, but I think so. Everyone's thanking her. I am in Canada. Yes, Alan works in Canada. Where'd he go? Dr. somebody, where'd you go? Dr. One Fly, if you'd like to still message in with your phone number, I can call you tomorrow. No problem. Or maybe even this evening if not now. Kimberly Hendon, now I wait for the logo. Absolutely wait for the logo. Kim said. All right, anybody on TikTok have any questions before we go? I think we did a very thorough and thought out explanation of how the system works. I believe we caught it all extremely good. Where'd this go? Oh, that was weird. What the heck did that thing go? Are the indices going to the 30-minute blue line? Oh, Dr. Harry's always one step ahead there. All right, here we go. Yes, but this is probably far enough for today. Remember yesterday we had 1 minute the day before. Then yesterday we had all the 5 minutes fill in. Today we have all the 15 minutes fill in. I really don't think you're going to see all 30 minutes fill in. You're about to see a turnaround later today, sometime maybe this evening or maybe at 3 o'clock in the morning. You're going to see US 30 go green. You're 1 minute. Then you're going to see NAS go green. 1 minute. SPX go green. 1 minute. Then you're probably going to see these 5 minutes turn green, green, green. And then these 15 minutes will stay red. And then by this time tomorrow, for instance, you'll see red, 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 1 minute, red, 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 5 minute, red, 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 15 minute, red, 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 30 minute US 30, and then we'll do it. But right now you need to look for sell stops, NAS 100, SPX 500. Look for 1 minute sell stops to the 30 minute blue line on NAS and SPX. That's what the call is. But I do not believe they're going to all turn red today. I could be wrong. So play every 1 minute sell stop to the blue lines for NAS and SPX to the 30 minute. But when these start flipping around, I would start looking for these 1 minute and 5 minute buy stops start happening. I just don't think in one day we're going to see 15 minute hit and 30 minute. It may. I just don't think we will. But it may. Okay? So hopefully that was a nice, thorough explanation for you. And again, thank you, Jen, for coming on. That was freaking awesome. 1 minute sell stop on NAS now. Okay, let's take a look at NAS. Oop. Oop. And oop. All right, 1 minute sell stop on NAS. It's too far away from the 5 minute line. I would literally wait. It can work. Put your sell stop in. Do it. Fine by me. But the reality is we're exactly like I said, so you hit that 15 minute, right? So now the reality is it needs to come up higher on the 5 minute, forming the logo. Kim so astutely pointed out. Price starts up, high, zippity-doo-dah, zip, comes down. It's going to hook back up here, forming our logo right there, which means everything stays red except for this one, which will turn green. And then we're going to get in another entry right here. That's how I'd wait and play this one, but no one likes to wait. I understand that. That's what it should do for NAS and US 30 and SPX. All right. Can you show a choppy chart to see how it goes? Yeah, Dr. One Fly, what you call consolidation, a choppy chart, is nothing more than your, watch this, I'll show you what it looks like. Nothing more than price moving over to the red line to touch it and either go up, touch it, and come down. Let me show you what he's referring to as consolidation. It's so old-fashioned. Everything you think you know about trading, Dr. One Fly, has been a lie and they taught you wrong. So let's go over what a choppy chart would look like for him. Are we on NAS? We're on NAS. I'll whip around. So watch. Let's see. Well, we can even show you a 5 minute. It can show you anything you want. Watch. They're all the same. So watch. Grab one right here. Okay. So this is what he would consider a choppy chart. Let's take a look. Right here, you can see that it's going up and down, up and down. It's going sideways. It's going sideways. The market's consolidating. Bullshit. The market's not consolidating. The market's inching its way over, forming our logo and coming over to touch and or come close to touch and or go above our red line. And once it does that, it drops down. So what you used to call consolidation is not real. It's actually just moving over to touch the red line and either move up or in this case move down. So consolidation in a choppy market is bullshit. This thing eats that up, reads it clearly, and makes it so you never have to worry about consolidation again. Make sense, Dr. One Fly? Correct, Kimberly said. Not close enough. Correct. I didn't lie to you. Dr. One Fly, yeah, you're going to die. You want to know how badly you've been lied to? Let's go ahead and do this. We all been lied to. 99, look, type this in, Dr. One Fly. Here you go. I'm going to pull this over here. I'm going to move my thing back up. I'm not a financial advisor. Remember that. Never pretend to be, don't want to be. Type this in, Dr. One Fly. Do 1% of traders make money? Less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable. Less than 1%. But, Dr. One Fly, I, for 5.5 years, thought support and resistance worked. But 99% of the time it doesn't. I thought trend lines worked. 99% of the time it doesn't. I tried doing Fibonacci retracements for a year and a half. I think them to work because 99% of the time Fibonacci retracements don't work. And if you didn't know, Fibonacci comes from nature. It's repeating patterns and they applied it to trading. It means nothing. I thought if you named candles and had candle patterns, it worked. 99% of the time it does not. Now, don't get mad at me. This is do 1% of traders make money in Google. Less than 1% of traders make money, actually profitable. So that means volume, VWAP. I know it all. We all been trained the same way. And how can we be wrong 99% of the time? I'm not dumb. You're not dumb. But they trained us the wrong way so that 99% of us would lose. I'm teaching you the correct way. So the one thing, if you're an experienced trader, is you have to buy the system, unlearn all that BS. There is no such thing as VWAP, volume, ascending, descending wedges, look to the left, none of that. It's all lies 99% of the time. Sorry, everyone gets mad, but that's the truth. And then you relearn the correct way of trading, which is the safety trade system, and then you teach it to someone to master it. You don't have to buy another thing of it. You have the damn system on your own computer. Teach it to 5 or 10 people to master the system. And then you'll master it. Or call in, and then you can master it that way. When you call in, you can teach people, hundreds of people at one time. And that's what you do. Exactly where I'm at right now. Glad I found you. I am glad you found me too, Dr. Winkler. Yep. And if I wasn't on TikTok, I'm usually a little more vocal about things. I'm trying to keep my everything clean. Here we go. 1 minute sell stop, NAS. And it broke the pink too. So it can drop down here. It could be a very good trade. This is a hard fall we're in right now. I'm just not going to take it, but I'm good. Now I have some other trades now. All right, any other questions on TikTok? I'm heading over to YouTube for a second, and then I'm going to leave. Any other questions on TikTok? Okay, no more questions on TikTok? See ya. God bless y'all. 1,000 thanks. You're welcome, Dr. Winfly. All right. Have a good one today, guys. God bless y'all. We're going to end our TikTok, heading over to YouTube just for a second. Bye, guys, on TikTok. YouTube. Does anybody on YouTube have any questions or concerns or comments? Again, this is a perfectly fine may I sell stop. What's up, Troy? But this is not what I'm not recommending it, even though it's absolute perfection. The safety, everything's hooking. We're all down. Everything looks perfect to me. I think this will be a good trade. I'm just not taking it. Precious, what's up, baby? We're just ending it now, baby. We had a nice 10 lady call in. We had, I'm about to close it up and head over and see if the pressure washing the house. Did it make much noise? What's his face? Kane almost slept through me coming in there. I hope that man will still be asleep. All right. You're welcome, Kim. Troy. Hey, Kevin. What's up, Troy? All right. That's it, guys. Y'all have a great one. Bree just hopped in, and we're heading out. Y'all have a great one today. Hopefully, we'll see you on later this evening. God bless y'all. Talk to y'all later. Precious. Oh.